Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use VO3 in Gemini Pro. First, understand that VO3 is an advanced feature designed to augment your Gemini Pro experience. It provides enhanced capabilities for complex tasks and deeper insights. We'll start by ensuring your environment is ready, then move into practical application. This integration unlocks new possibilities for your AI projects, making them more powerful and efficient. To begin, navigate to your Gemini Pro dashboard and locate the Settings menu. Within these options, you will find the specific toggle or section for VO3 integration. Ensure it is activated to unlock its full potential. A successful activation will typically display a confirmation message or a clear indicator within your project configuration. This step is crucial for leveraging VO3 advanced features. With VO3 enabled, you can now apply its power to more intricate tasks. For instance, when generating detailed reports or analyzing large datasets, VO3 provides enhanced processing capabilities. Consider using it for tasks requiring a deeper understanding of context or for creating highly specific, tailored content. Experiment with different prompts to see how VO3 elevates your Gemini Pro outputs. To get the most out of VO3, focus on crafting clear and precise prompts. Specificity often yields superior outcomes. Regularly review the performance of your VO3 enhanced projects and make adjustments to your configurations or input methods. Remember, continuous refinement will help you harness VO3 full power, ensuring your Gemini Pro applications are both robust and highly effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.